Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a great refreshing drink, the Amla juice. So let's jump on to the recipe first. For that I have taken 4 fresh amlas and I'm going to cut all these amlas into tiny pieces, removing its seed alone. Amla juice keeps your skin cool by releasing heat from the body and thus preventing heat boils, rashes and acne. During summer season especially this works. It also provides the body with iron, potassium, vitamin C and fiber. If you see now, I have cutted all these amlas into small pieces and I have added to a mixer jar. To enhance the flavor, I am going to add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 pinches of salt and half of a lemon juice. Now here I am going to just coarsely grind all these first and I am going to add 1 glass of water gradually. And if you see now, our healthy amla juice is ready. It will not be a surprise to see that when compared to oranges, the vitamin C in the amla is more, and amla is a rich source of vitamin C and fiber as well. Amlas can be consumed raw, boiled or in the form of juice. Do drink this juice in this summer season. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon for my future videos. Keep watching. Thank you.